Maiga yemebere y'abantu 13 korwa kaunti ya Nyamira gotoke kaunti ya Kericho nigo omugavana we kaunti ya Nyamira Muskamus Nyeribo esokire na gukwanire ngane yo asobo imehense mo yende enkwana yaye nigo yatanana nemebere yo yende kagere komento mubaro gwe kemerongo 33 asobo igo hamente serikali kogendera gokora obotuki.
There were 13 bodies which were supposed to be disposed from Nyamira, and as a government we followed the procedure. We got court orders to dispose those bodies in any public cemetery. So my government has been disposing in Kericho, and we thought it's the nearest. We listed